Perplexity is part search engine, part LLM. So how does it work? And what role does each part of that, the search and the LLM, play in serving the final result?
Perplexity is best described as an answer engine. So you ask it a question, you get an answer. Except the difference is all the answers are backed by sources. This is like how an academic writes a paper. Now, that referencing part, the sourcing part, is where the search engine part comes in. So you combine traditional search, extract results relevant to the query the user asked. You read those links, extract the relevant paragraphs, feed it into an LLM. LLM means large language model. And that LLM takes the relevant paragraphs, looks at the query, and comes up with a well formatted answer with appropriate footnotes to every sentence it says. Because it's been instructed to do so. It's been instructed with that one particular instruction of given a bunch of links and paragraphs, write a concise answer for the user with the appropriate citation. So the magic is all of this working together in one single orchestrated product. And that's what we built Perplexity for.
So it's explicitly instructed to write like an academic, essentially.
If you're just trying to take on Google by building another Tim Lu Link search engine and with some other differentiation, which could be privacy or no ads or something like that, it's not enough. And it's very hard to make a real difference in just making a better Blue Link search engine than Google because they've basically nailed this game for like 20 years. So the disruption comes from rethinking the whole UI itself. Why do we need links to be occupying the prominent real estate of the search engine UI? Flip that. In fact, when we first rolled out Perplexity, there was a healthy debate about whether we should still show the link as a side panel or something.
It doesn't interfere with the quest of seeking truth. It doesn't interfere with the user experience of, getting a academic article style output on a question they asked, all of this.
It's possible, and many experiments need to be tried. The trick is to really figure out like how to do it in a way that doesn't make users lose trust in your product.
Yeah.
And yet build like something that can connect people with the right source of information. I kind of like how Instagram does its ads, for example. It's really targeted at relevance, and like it almost doesn't look like you're seeing an ad. I think Elon's also said this publicly how like ads can be useful when done really right, and it shouldn't feel like you even see an ad when you see an ad. So that's like truly done right sort of ads. And if we figure out something like that in a way that's actually disruptive to the link click, then I think it can work.